house down.
Hey, it's Chris. So I wasn't going to make a video today, but I just couldn't stop myself, because what we're going to do is we're going to be making steaks on an American grill. Now, over here, you can see right behind me is the grill. And I personally have never cooked a steak on this kind of grill before, so it's going to be a first time for me. You know, I looked up on the internet and I saw how to cook it, so I'm just going to follow it. So we actually have, what is this? We got 2 ribeye steaks here. I don't know how well you can see them. Let's see if I, whoa! We got the 2 ribeye steaks, and then we got a little bit of tenderloin right in the middle, right here. Now, I wiped them down a little bit, but then I've had them sitting here, and they've gotten a chance to get a little bit wet, so I'm a little bit worried about the sear, but we're going to risk it and try it anyway. And maybe you can see the steaks better now. And so we're just going to go and start cooking. Nothing special today. Really simple, really easy. On the steaks, I just have salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Pretty standard. Now, the grill has been on. It's up to about 550 degrees. We're going to open it up. Holy crap. Let me ask my mother. Okay, the flames are way too high. On what side? This side? But the flames are like... No, I can't even open the... I can't open the grill because it's too hot. Come help me. Ah! I think I'm gonna burn the house down. It's like 600 degrees now. Did I turn it down? I don't even know. Why, when I'm playing with fire, are you not doing faster? You know I'm... So, my dad's a vegetarian, so he can't use his side of the grill. Alright. I'm going to put the steaks on. They look wet. Here we go. Ow! Burning my hands.
Well, keep your hand back. Okay.
Ow, this is hot.
There. Pot holder's right there.
Ow. All right. Pot holder. Okay, so I'm just going to cook it for 2 minutes. And then, no, I said it for 2 hours, not 2 hours. Where's the custom? All right, here it is. No, that's only 1 minute. What is going on? All right, 2 minutes. I don't like this because it's wicked hot. All right, when I'm trying to get it so that I'm not. So when I flip it, I'm going to use my small camera so that you'll be able to see it. All right. See, now you can see me. No, oh, you can still see me. Maybe if I put it here. All right, close enough. That's what we're doing. I'm gonna keep looking at it. As you can tell, I haven't done this before, so that's why I keep making so many mistakes. All right, so that's 2 minutes. Now you should have that nice grill mark. Now I'm just gonna turn it slightly. Let's see what this one looks like. It's sticking. Stop. All right. And now we have three steaks. Just going to turn that slightly. Turn this slightly. Turn that slightly. And now I'm going to do another 2 minutes. Ow! Look at that! I'm a freaking pro.
Get that little piece.
That's gonna be overcooked.
Yeah.
Okay. Now they're turned over. I'll set it for 2 more minutes. It's funny when you're making a video, it really feels like everything takes a really long time to do. I'm actually really surprised that my mother let me cook the steaks. Usually she wouldn't let me do that, because these weren't cheap. Okay, it says beef and pork, medium rare, so that looks like it is done. Way too high. Here are my steaks. Cooked on the grill. We'll let them rest about 10-15 minutes. Let me set my timer. As I said, it's my first time cooking on the grill, so I'm very, very nervous about this. I have a bad feeling that they're a little bit overcooked. But they'll have a nice char grilled flavor on them, so, you know, we'll be safe in that way. All right, I'll see you in 10 minutes. Okay, so it's rested for about 10 minutes, and now it is time for the test. Let's see how it came out. It is not a bad medium. It's not medium rare like I wanted, but it is, this one's better. This one here is also just about medium. But there's one steak that's even thicker. Let's see if this one came out a little bit better. I was going for medium rare, and I think I got medium. Yeah, as you can see, again, it's a medium steak, not medium rare. This tenderloin, I believe, should be medium rare to rare. medium rare to rare. So let's hope this tenderloin should be medium rare to rare. So let's hope that came out like that. And this is a nice rare, medium rare piece of steak. Let's eat. So I'm gonna do a little taste test. Here we go. It's a little bit overcooked for my taste, but it's really, really flavorful, still tender, and it still has enough pink to make me happy. It's seasoned perfectly. Now to try the tenderloin. I think the what is this? I think the big steak is better, but they're both good. This is really, really, really delicious. Grilling it on the grill, it just adds so much flavor to it that even if you don't cook it perfectly, it still comes out super delicious. So this was my impromptu video on cooking a steak on an American grill. I want to thank everyone for watching. I really enjoyed it. We will see you next time. Don't forget Cooking channel. And if you ever want to cook a steak, try it on the grill. Alright, see you later. My niece said her piece was cooked just right for her. So